heart, and also it's not gonna help your pocket. It's not gonna help your pocket or bank account. O, di ba? If you're galit-galit, ayan. So, dapat talaga, good vibes lang. Jolly, jolly ni, jolly bubbly. Ayan, thank you so much pa. Mari Pebele, thank you so much. Taga saan ka po ba? Ayan, can you give me your, Instagram, the name? Oh, Bijoy Islam, are you serious? Are you gonna send me a chocolate? Are you serious? My Instagram, okay. I'm gonna give you my Instagram, okay? Okay. Okay. Hindi ko, I am not memorize my, my Instagram. I don't know my Instagram. Just a second, okay? I'm double about that. Can you give me your Instagram, the name, please? About that. Can you give me your Instagram, the name, please? I don't have, I'm not active of my Instagram. It's okay if, if I give you my, my Facebook. Just only Facebook. My Facebook and, my Instagram is the same. Just only Facebook. But I am not, memorize. I am not memorize my, Chris Cos, mega shoutout. Vlogging with Binko, mag-shoutout. Ma'am, anong WhatsApp mo? Oh, WhatsApp. Teka muna. Meron ba? Bakit tinatanong nyo sa akin yung WhatsApp ko? Hindi ako meron akong WhatsApp pero hindi ko Kapitbahay USA. Oo, may WhatsApp ako ko Kapitbahay USA din. Oh, it's the same name. Oo, Kapitbahay USA. Just find me on my WhatsApp, Kapitbahay USA. Oh, meron ako nun. Facebook name. Oh, sige. I'm gonna give you my Facebook name, okay? Ayan. Ayan, thank you. Ayan, I give you, just make it a copy. Then, because I wanna, I'm gonna erase that. Ayan, Bijoy Islam, thank you so much po, ha. Labla Kapitbahay SA. Okay, Bijoy Islam is from, is from Switzerland. Ayan, teka muna. Kasi siya, oh, you're not a vlogger, Bijoy. Ayan. Bijoy, you look young. How old are you, Bijoy? Ayan, if you don't mind. I check your, your profile and you don't have any videos. Are you not a vlogger? You just, are you just a viewers, Kapitbahay USA? Ayan, Facebook name, ayan pa. Labla Kapitbahay USA. Okay, I'm gonna, did you see it? Okay, I'm gonna erase na, okay? Ayan, thank you so much. Modi, thank you so much po. Prisco Country Life, mega shout out. Hello, Kuya Green Winter, mega shout out. Thank you so much. Chris Cos, ayan, mega shout out. Kuya, thank you so much for being here, Kapitbahay USA. Andun ako sa live mo kahapon. Oo, andun ako, tinambayan kita kahapon. Oo, wala ka doon sa live mo eh. Oo, thank you Kuya, Labla Kapitbahay USA. Ay ko, parang wala ata si Kuya Winter dito ha, naka-video lang ikaw. Ayan, thank you Kuya Winter. Ayan. B-Boy Islam, your age is 28. Okay. Since you're from Bangladesh, what are you doing in Switzerland? Are you working there or your family's living in Switzerland? How did you get there in Switzerland? If you don't mind, I asking you a question. But if you don't wanna answer it, that's okay. Ayan, lalabs. Ayan po, Tisay Veronica, thank you so much po. Love ng Kapitbahay. Nasa na si Modi Modales, mga kapitbahay? Ayan, your age. Oh, don't ask my age. It's secret. Oh, no, thank you. Ayan, don't ask my age. Oh, my God. Bijoy Islam. Ayan. Ayan. Thank you so much. Tisay Veronica, thank you so much. I love the Kapitbahay USA. Ayan. Kalahati Pinoyra. Hello, Pinoyra. Mega shout out. Love the Kapitbahay USA. Ayan. How's your day, my friend? Kalahati Pinoyra. Hapra. Mega shout out. Ayan. Ayan mga kapitbahay. Ito, lesson kay Kapitbahay USA. Never ask a age. Never ask, age of others is because they're gonna ask you back. If you don't wanna tell your age, don't ask. I apologize. I asked your age. Ayan, thank you so much. Oh, this is a learning mga kapitbahay. Don't ask the age if you don't wanna tell your age. Okay, this is learning from me today. Ayan. Thank you so much po mga kapitbahay. Love lang kapitbahay.